Hello everybody, in this video we're going to be solving one-step equations with this time multiplying and dividing. We'll use multiplication and division to figure out unknown variables. In this first one we have 4 times y equals 144. Now we see our variable is y. We see that it's being multiplied by 4. So we're going to do the opposite of multiply by 4. Divide by 4, and I'll show that here. Divide 4, fraction bar shows division. Y is now alone, it's by itself. 144 divided by 4 is 36. So the answer to this problem is 36. Please keep in mind you can take the answer and substitute it back in to the original for the variable, and you would find that 4 times 36 is 144. Let's look at another example here. How about negative 18 equals 6t? Write that again here. T is our variable. T is being multiplied by 6, so we're going to do the opposite of multiply by 6. We're going to divide by 6. And we need to do it on both sides because you need to keep an equation balanced. Whatever you do to one side of an equation, do to the other side. T is equal to negative 3. Remember, when the signs are different and you're dividing, your answer will be negative. We can always check up the top by substituting in the answer for the variable, and you will find here 6 times negative 3 does in fact equal negative 18. On this last one, this is work with fractions. The question is asking which number should each side of the equation 3/4 x equals 9 be multiplied by to get x equals 12. So in essence, we are going to tell you the answer, but the key is to figure out what did we do to both sides of the equation to get an answer of x equals 12. Whenever a variable is being multiplied by a fraction, you can undo that, or quote-unquote get rid of the fraction, by multiplying both sides by the reciprocal. We'll take the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4/3, and that will get multiplied on both sides. Now notice what happens. 3/4 times 4/3. They cancel out. Yes, we say cancel out, but really they become the number 1, which we don't have to write. Saying 1x is just the same thing as saying plain old x. And then 9 times the 4 up here, 9 times 4 is 36, and 36 divided by 3 is our answer of 12. So to answer the question, what needs to be multiplied by both sides of the equation? The reciprocal. And that's what you should do every time you have an equation with a fraction next to the variable. Multiply by its reciprocal on both sides, and that will help you solve for the unknown variable. Thank you for watching.